Welcome back, guys, and for those that are new, my name is Christina Nietzsche. My channel's all about health and fitness, so if that interests you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also the notification button so that you don't miss out on any future health and fitness videos. Today I'm going to be talking about turmeric and its benefits and also show you 2 simple ways that you can incorporate this into your daily routine. All right, ladies, listen up. So if you're looking for glowing skin and you want some anti-aging properties and you want to keep it natural, turmeric is going to be your best friend. I make this mask and I put it on right before I go to bed. I basically leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Very easy. You just put it on, let it sit, and then you wash it off with a nice warm cloth. Now, because turmeric increases blood flow and circulation in your body, it helps boost brain health and also helps the kidney and the liver function easier. Another benefit of turmeric is, of course, the wonderful immune boosting properties. I'm sure many of you have heard the term golden milk, and that actually refers to the turmeric tea that I'm gonna show you how to make. If you guys feel like you're getting sick, you can make this simple tea, and you don't actually have to add in any type of sweetener like I am, but I do like to do that just a little bit. I use honey, or for you vegans, you can use maple syrup. The reason why I am adding in a little bit of the black pepper is because black pepper actually helps the chemical compound curcumin absorb better into your system. Now, the reason why I'm adding in a fat is because turmeric is better absorbed into the body when you have a fat with it. So you don't have to use the cashew milk like I use. You can use coconut milk, which is actually pretty common, or you can use almond milk or something like that. The reason that I take the turmeric tea at night is because turmeric has been shown to help with sleep and promote a better sleep quality. Just keep in mind, it's not gonna be like that effect when you get sick and you take NyQuil and it like knocks you out. It is nothing like that. It's natural. Don't expect anything crazy from anything natural that you're gonna be taking. And as always, I want to make sure that you guys know not to overload yourself, even with natural things like herbs and vitamins and minerals and things like that. You want to keep it simple, and you want to basically use something for a period of time and then switch to something else. Don't use like everything all at once because you don't want to overload your body. Curcumin is the chemical compound that's found in turmeric for all of those anti-inflammatory benefits, those anti-cancer benefits, and this is aside from all of those good vitamins and minerals that turmeric has in it. Now, I'm going to mention this because there was a study done. Turmeric is actually shown to help with weight loss and metabolism. People were given curcumin and people were not given curcumin. And for a period of 12 weeks, those people that actually had curcumin in their system every day did not actually gain any extra weight. So I figured that I'd mention that because I feel like that's a pretty positive type of benefit. I'm definitely only mentioning a few of these benefits. There are numerous different benefits. All right, that's all I have for you guys. If you try the turmeric tea or the golden milk and you also try the face mask, let me know in the comments below. I want to know if you guys liked it, and if you saw any improvement in your skin or your sleep patterns. And of course, if you guys are currently taking turmeric, let me know your experience on that. And as always, I will see you guys next time.